Hello, Mario. In this video we're going to take a bit of a look at more walls. So let's get the plan up here and let's get our little one that we're working up there, and that's pretty much where we left it last time. But just again, a little word of warning, and something that I omitted to do myself is save your work. So I'm just going to, again, you can just go save, but I always like to use save as quite often, unless I'm really so that I know exactly where I'm saving it. So it's actually going into CAD sections there, cost effective CRIBS, and just saves. So yes, AutoCAD does back up pretty regularly, and so if you do lose your work, there are ways and means that you can find it. In this case here, what I'm going to do now is I thought I would just, holding the little mouse wheel down like that enables you to pan and move things, just by way of a little thing there. So I'm going to look at the master bedroom now, and we can see that the master bedroom is 3.8 long. So I'm going to keep that internal dimension and then go with the wall thickness from there. So that's the 3.8 long. So let's just go here, and again, O for offset. Just make sure we're in the right window. O for offset, and the offset distance 3800. Enter. Select that there, and that puts us in with our master bedroom there. I'm just going to go escape to get back to there. O for offset again. This time our 90 millimeter wall. Enter, and like so. I'm not going to. So that's our master bedroom, pretty much sorted there. There's a little bit of tidying up that needs to do, but I'm not going to worry about that just yet. I'm going to wait till I've got some more here to do. And just looking down in here, we can see that this wardrobe here is 700 wide, and it goes all the way through there. So I'm going to do a little bit of work on that now. So just make sure, make sure that you're in the actual window. Escape, make sure that you haven't got any tools operating, and then we go offset, enter, and we're going to do the 700 wardrobe width, 700, enter, and just offset there. So that gives us the internal width there. Right click and enter again, and I'm going to do another offset. There is another thing here, repeat offset, so just do a right click and that'll give us that repeat offset, and this time here is just 90, that's the distance, and I'm going to put that in there like that. So that's giving me the other side of the wardrobe. Now if you look very carefully at this plan here, it doesn't give you these internal dimensions for these wardrobes, and later on I'll show you a way that you can help you with those and some of the other things, but just not quite at the moment. So I did measure them previously when I did some trials on this plan, and I'm going to make this wardrobe here 1200. So I'll just perhaps just to remind myself that that's what I did, I think I'll maybe use this little thing here, the little call out there, and can't quite get it to where I want it. How do I do that? No, I'll probably need to make this bigger, and I'm just going to make this wardrobe here, as I said, 1200. So let's just do that there, pop that down there, 1200. That's a bit big, so I'll just make it a bit smaller. And again, this is an annotated, just annotating this plan. so as I make little decisions along the way, I keep a record so that anyone else coming back, that's going to be 1200. This one here, I'm going to make this one here 1100. 1100, slightly smaller for the third bedroom. Just click outside of it and bring it along to make it smaller. Okay, so that's going to be 1100. Just while I'm here, I'll just file save as, just to save this file, and it's the annotated 2 and save. So that's just made just recorded what we've done there, and then this one here, I'm just going to let that come as it is, sort of whatever dimension comes out. So I'll just drop that back there to the side there. Get rid of these comments here so we can actually see what's going on. Okay, and just by way of that, you'll notice that when I did the other one for the wall, I just selected that line there, which is the bedroom width, and oh, what's happening there? Not quite sure there. Yes, you can see that it's got a length of 3 meters or 3000 millimeters. So that sort of all ties up with our measurements and what have you. Okay, now if we offset this line here, it's going to go way up there. So there's another way of doing it. I can just go line, draw a little line that just goes from there to there, and I could move that line actually 1200 if I wanted to. Just go select one of the lines. You can see there's 2 on top of them. Just go move like that there, and go from there, and I could say 1200, and that should put that there 1200, and so there's no line there. That one's still there. It's got that one there, and then we can offset 90, still going there, and then we can right click, repeat the offset, specify the opposite distance, which is 1100 in this case, and go there to there, which will give us 1100, and then we can repeat the offset again. Right click, repeat the offset, and this time I'm going to go with 90 to give me my wall thickness there. And just by way of a check, I'll just use up here, I'll just use measure. Okay, so here's our little measure there, measure the distance, like so, and that distance there is 520, which on the face of it seems reasonable. So yeah, I'm not going to worry too much about that. Right, so now we can do a little bit of trimming. So TR, double tap, and we can start just removing little bits and pieces. No, I need to just go slightly upscale a bit, like that there, like that there, like that there, like that there, and that's just giving everything like so. And then we can trim this here, trim and trim and trim and trim, like so. Now we'll notice that these wardrobes seem to have a slightly offset board there. Just looking at that, the internal dimensions 700, so I'm picking that that's offset 300 mils. So I'm going to go right click, recent input offset, and I'm going to go 300. Okay, and I'm going to put that one, just while I'm here, put that one there and that one there. So that's like a 300 shelf, and I think I'll do the same in the linen cupboard, actually, like so. No, that doesn't look quite how it is there. I'm just going to do a Control Z, and I'm just going to go halfway for that one. So I'm just going to draw a line, or I could go alpha line, from the midpoint of that one to the midpoint of that one, which should be horizontal. We can always check looking at our properties, and there it is, 700 wide. So there you are, we've got those little wardrobes done, and now we can move on. Perhaps we could just do bedroom 3 here, and we can see that bedroom 3 is 2.9 the width there, so let's just get that done, and that should do for this one, and that's all the bedrooms done. So offset, enter, 2900, okay, and there like that. That one there is not quite meeting. I'll just introduce you to another little tool I sometimes use, and that's called LEN. So escape, make sure you got the full cross here, LEN, which is length, and then I go DY, which is dynamic. So, and that enables you just to grab a line like this here and just pull it along, extend it in any way you like. So that's all good there. Okay. So let's use here, we can go repeat input, repeat the offset, and it's 90 there, and bang bang, there's the other side of the bedroom, like that there, and I'm going to trim all that out, TR, enter, TR, get rid of that there, and get rid of that there. Now this one here, that there just can be deleted. That we can do an extend to there, like so, and then we can do a trim to there, and that's sort of bedroom 3 there, coming in there like that. I guess it doesn't exactly line up with that wall, so that's all good. We could just check that out, because I'm just a little bit worried about that. So one of the other things I can use here is a command called XL, which stands for construction line, and that enables you to put in this case here I want to put a vertical line. You can see you've got horizontal, vertical, angle, bisect, offset there. So I'm going to put a vertical line, and that just goes everywhere everywhere. It's a continuous line right across the whole of model space, and you can see that it's sitting in there like that. So that little room there is going to be inside there like that, and then the other one will go across there for the other side, of the hallway. So that's all looking good. So I'm just going to take that out of there, and I'm going to leave this video, delete. This time I'm going to save the video, so let's just go save as, and yes, we want to save it as that one there, save, and yes, we want to replace it because we're updating it. And yeah, slowly but surely we're moving along and getting everything drawn in there. So next we'll see if we can, I think we can get the hallway sorted, and perhaps the bathroom and laundry, and then move into the kitchen, and that would leave the family room behind. All good. Cheers.